la mayonnaise.
Yeah. It's very simple.
Ça, c'est
Just take,
pour mettre.
you just take the, here is my son that is working with me. You just take the big bowl.
Big ball. Okay.
Put in here beetroots.
Yeah.
Remember they are cut in cubes.
Okay.
And then you put your carrots.
Après, on va mettre la carotte et les pommes de terre.
And the potatoes. Yeah, he's reminding me in French. And then
Voilà.
we mix.
On mélange.
You see, these are the color that I want. Yeah? You see?
Ouais.
Then what you're going to do, we're going to add our mayonnaise.
Après, on va ajouter la mayonnaise.
It's very simple as you can see. And then salt to taste.
Après, on met du sel.
And then we have lime juice. Lime juice, c'est du citron.
On va mettre le jus de citron.
That is like 2 tablespoons, yeah? Deux cuillères
2 cuillères
d'eau. C'est quoi ça, Coco?
de jus
Jus de quoi?
de citron.
De citron, voilà. And then we
Après, on mélange.
mix, yeah. Remember this salad, you can eat it like as a dinner. Yeah?
Yeah.
Because today is on a Sunday, we decided to make some simple salad. Because on Sundays here in France, we eat heavy lunch. So in the evening, we just prepare something very simple. Then add a little bit of parsley.
On va mettre de la persil.
Persil, c'est persil. Persil.
On va mettre de persil.
Après, and then we mix.
On mélange.
You see? This is the color that I want. follow my channel if you're new here. Share, like, and leave comments. Make sure you make this for your visitors or your family.
Et aussi de partager la vidéo.
Voilà, and share the video. Thank you so much. See you next time for another video. And bye for now.
Allez,